sharing our moments.
Another day, another vlog.
Another day, another life.
Hi Kuya, hi Kirsten.
Round 2 ng pasyal namin.
Yes, today is Sunday. Bago kami umuwi pa Palmdale,
Side trip.
kami sa Yosemite. First time namin dito.
Hindi po namin mapupunta lahat.
Quick tour lang.
Mga madadaling hike kasi mga tamad maglakad. Yung gusto lang nila yung baba ng kotse. That's it. Sa side mo siguro. Init ng araw.
Snacks from Costco. Veggie chips. Kailangan din pala ng reservation dito sa Yosemite.
6 to 2 p.m. kailangan ng reservation. After
6
that,
a.m. to 2 p.m.
kailangan ng
with
reservation.
reservation. At 2 p.m. onwards, pwede na sila
Yata.
mag-allow yata ng mga walang reservation.
Are you recording?
Yes.
Swerte pa rin din kami. Nakahabol kami sa reservation para ngayong araw na to. Nakakailang kotse na sa harapan namin na nag-U-turn kasi walang reservation. So sa mga pupunta po dito, make sure po na magpa-reserve kayo.
Okay, perfect. You have a pass as well?
No.
Okay, stay in the right lane, she'll sell.
Alright,
Thank you.
Your reservation there.
Yeah, for the parking.
Okay, and then entrance fee is going to be $35.
Okay.
The annual pass,
Yeah.
so that's good for a year until the end of next July.
Oh,
And
okay.
it covers entrance fees to all federal land.
Oh, it's like this one, Grand Canyon.
Yeah, it's like an annual
How much
pass
are
for all
those?
parts.
How much is the pass?
80?
Oh, $80. Okay. Bayan.
Diba?
So ayun guys, nakapasok na kami. Ito yung ano namin, ticket namin. This is good for 3 days. $35 entrance fee, and then yung binayaran namin na reservation for the park is $2 lang. And then eto, binigyan nila kami ng Yosemite guide at saka ng map. Ayan, nakalagay Yosemite. Tinanong din namin yung annual pass kung magkano. $80, tas good na yun for lahat ng parks. Worth it na rin yung $80 na yun for
1 year na. So,
within 1 year kung gusto nyo nang mamasyal, halimbawa tuwing
Every year,
summer, ayan,
Winter
punta kayo
din,
sa so annual na siya, annual pass. Stop over muna kami dito, may magandang view. Ayan po, tingnan nyo ang ganda. At per pretty. Ako matagal ko na gusto pumunta dito sa Yosemite. Si James kasi ang super love niya is yung Grand Canyon.
Pero
Ako
ngayon
naman
po,
ito, Yosemite.
nagbago na po ang isip ko. May bago na akong love. Yosemite!
Visit lang kami dito. Merong chapel dito. Dito na kami sa Yosemite. Mag-visit lang kami sa Glen. Ang hirap pala ng parking dito sa Yosemite. Naghanap muna kami ng parking, tapos kakain lang kami. And then, tsaka kami pupunta dun sa mga gusto namin puntahan. Ayan, nagmumuryot na yung bunso.
Ginagawa mo!
Hindi namin alam yung pupuntahan namin. Ang hinahanap namin restaurant kasi kakain kami. Ano daw? Restaurant tong katabi. Order muna kami ng food. Order ka sa kiosk. Yes. Oh, okay.
One eternity later.
Nakakapagod. Hinihingal na kami. Hindi kami sanay nag-hike ng ganito. Ito paakyat na, oh. Ayan, magre-reklamo na yung maliit. Galing na kami sa Lower Yosemite Falls. Ngayon naman, magtatampisaw daw sila dito sa Merced River. Ayan. Ano ba to? Daddy, baka ikaw ang mahulog.
I was just a kid when I met you, honey. Working on my daydreams. Down bed wishing you'd come and save me. If only I'd have a time machine back then, I'd see us dancing in the kitchen light. No one thought we could ever make it. Didn't know time could move so fast. 10 years later and I'm still your baby. Hold tight, 'cause I know that we're changing, but I will be forever young in your arms.
Makakapasok ako sa UCLA!
Become the best in stop motion.
Ano daw?
I want more money. Mami, ikaw din, mami. Mag-wish ka din. Mami, mag-wish ka din. Mag-shout ka daw.
Maging successful pa kami. A new house and long life!
Brand new house!
Painting pictures, you and me. Late night drives, music loud, ours were speaking. Close my eyes and I was dreaming. Hold tight, 'cause I know that we're changing.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.